Boys, this is my music, this is my album. Don't forget to check it out right now on my YouTube. You're asking me again and you can show me how to love. Yeah, don't ask me again twice, I'll be thinking again, but you just forgive me. So apa dah jadi, esok kau lupa. Sekarang cinta kita dah tak sempurna. Bila aku stay dengan kau duduk bersama, sumpah memang hati tak rasa selesa. Yeah. Good night, you saying that you love me, but you always hate me. And you don't wanna look at me, you just wanna throw all the stuff that I buy you from the yesterday. I got a birthday gift, tapi kau dah lupa. Semua cinta kita kau tak pernah anggap lagi. Mungkin sebab kau pernah kecewa, tapi kau nak marah aku macam salahkan sesiapa. Aku tahu every time that you say good night, it just waste my time. It just waste my time. Esok kau lupa, cinta kita dah tak sempurna. Sorry sayang, aku tak nak main cerita. Dulu kau kecewa tapi sekarang kau nak putus cinta. Apa salah aku? Kenapa kau salahkan semua di mata ya kita? Sekarang dah tak nampak cinta kita sempurna. Bila stay duduk bersama, bila rasa hati kau dah tak rasa selesa. Apa dah jadi dengan cinta kita? Penuh dengan fake compliment, cuba ubah cerita. Mungkin dah tak sama, esok lain, tapi sekarang kau dah buat hal masing-masing. Never say fall in love again. You can show me how to love, but it just wastes my time. It just wastes my time. Yeah, it just wastes my time, girl. I'm sorry, I'll never come back. I just wanna back and leave. Sebab aku dah tak nak tahu